Today, our event is called Money, that's managing our finances, networking, and empowering our youth. So that's basically what this event is for. We want for them to learn how to manage their money. We want for them to network with our vendors that are here. We have universities, we have banking institutions, we have community partners, and we want for them to network and empower themselves with information on finances and on their future careers and education.
Financial literacy is so important, and especially learning it at this age. I feel even as adults, today at these sessions, I'm learning myself. So I feel that this is going to prepare them in the future. They're learning a lot of skills. They're learning basic things, something as simple as learning how to open up your bank account, how to budget, how to save. These are things that will definitely be helping them in the future. They're talking about scholarships, they're talking about financial aid. And so I really do feel that it's going to make a change not only for our students, but for their families.
Gear Up is like an amazing program that I know my parents would have loved to have this opportunity. With what they're teaching us, I feel like it'll really help me be successful, being able to live comfortably by understanding how money works and what I can do to grow it and save it. With the amazing information that they've given us, I'll have at least some knowledge of what to do.